Okay, I'm just going to do a real short tutorial on cutting out images in Photoshop and changing their size. So let's go ahead and get started. If you don't have Photoshop open, go ahead and open it. It's here. Start. Programs. All yours will be under there in Photoshop. Or I could just go ahead right here. Okay, we're going to go to File, Open. And you're going to find this image in the Public Samples. Right in my Public Samples Slaminski folder. But for me, I'm just going to grab it right here. It's called Flags. And I'm going to go to right here to my navigator. And I'm just going to zoom this in a bit. I could move this red square around just by left-clicking and dragging. Okay, I'm going to cut out this flag of Cameroon here and bring it into this new file. The way we do that is you have to go down to this icon right here. It's called the Marquee tool. Highlight it and hit Control X on your keyboard. Then go to File, New, and click OK. And hit Control V. Okay, this is going to be the small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to here and go to File, Save As. I'm going to call this, again, this should be in your directory. Save it as a JPEG. Make sure it's under JPEG right there. So that one right there. I'm going to call it CAMERRON .jpeg. We're going to call it Cameroon Small. Okay. Click Save. And you can do low. Not the quality of 3 is fine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, New, and we're going to change these widths. We're going to make this, say, 300 by 400, about twice the size of the original file. Click OK. And hit Control V to paste. Now we need to scale this up. The way we do that is we hit Control T. Control T on your keyboard, and then drag this icon right here, this handle. Okay, make it big. Hit Enter. And we're going to do one more thing. We're going to go to this background, double click, click OK. And we're going to click on this tool. Yours might be right there, gradient tool. And just bring it right down like that. Okay, it doesn't do anything, so we're not going to worry about it. Now we're going to go to File, Save As. We're going to save this as a JPEG. And we're going to call this Cameroon Large. Click OK. So now, if I close my Photoshop, if I go here, I have a large and small. If I preview these, you'll notice that they are different sizes. Okay. Now why did I do that? Well, if you go ahead and open up Dreamweaver, and we're going to make a very simple table. We're going to go ahead and go to Insert Table, and we'll make this table, let's say, it's real simple here. 2 rows by 1 column. And we'll do 3 rows by 1 column. And 3 rows by 2 columns. 2 by 2, that's fine. Okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight these two, right click, we're going to say Table, Merge Cells, and right here you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to Insert Image, Cameroon Small. Click OK. And we're going to go to here and go to Insert Image, Cameroon Large. Click OK. So what's going to happen is when I roll over this flag, you're going to see a larger image. Okay? That's all you're going to do. You're going to basically do that for everything on your on your site. So now you know how to resize large and small images. It's pretty simple. How would you add behaviors? If you want to do a quick mouse over, mouse out, we'll go ahead and do that. So we're going to go to our behaviors right here. If you don't have this window open, you go to Window Behaviors. Window Behaviors, which is right there. Okay. Now we're going to go to, we're actually not going to do Show Hide here. We're going to go to Effects, Appear Fade. And what I want to do, well, first we have to name these. Let's go here and call it Center Image. And call this Image 1. Okay, simple enough. Alright. I'm going to go to my effects, and I'm going to go to Appear Fade. And what I want to do is I want to go to my, I want my center image to appear. This is 1 second. Click OK. And I want this to appear when I do on mouse over. Okay, so it'll appear when I do an on mouse over. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. You could make it fade if you do an on mouse out, or if you click it, we'll do that. Let's go ahead and do effects, appear fade. Let's do center image. We'll have it fade on a click. And let's go ahead and save this. Hit F12. Say yes. I'm just going to call this example. Okay, the way this is going to work is if I click, it goes out. See, as soon as I roll over, it fades in. If I click, it fades out. There you go. So roll over, go in, click, fade out. Now you'd want to add some code if you were doing this, so it doesn't keep fading in when I do that. It's kind of annoying, but it's fine. So click to hide, and mouse over to fade in. It's a nice little effect. Okay. So you're going to use this on the project you're going to do today. Hope you found this helpful and informative.